All right, let's make some espresso. I'm gonna fill the carafe to the 4-cup line. Next, twist off the cap for the water reservoir and pour the water into the tank. For best results, use medium to fine espresso grounds. Pack it in, as this ensures consistent results and better flavor. Place the brew head and simply turn to lock into position. Place the cover on the carafe and align the lid under the nozzle. Turn the knob to espresso and it'll take a few minutes to heat up and brew. For a fancier coffee experience, you can easily turn your espressos into a cappuccino. Simply fill your pitcher with cold milk, place directly under the steam wand, and turn to steam. The steam wand quickly warms and froths milk so you can easily turn plain espresso into a latte or cappuccino. To prepare a cappuccino, simply pour in 1/3 cup of espresso with an equal part of warm milk and then top off with foam. Cleanup is simple with dishwasher safe parts so you can get back to doing what's important.
At Best Reviews, we help shoppers find the best products on the market. We take popular items and put them to the test, just like you would use them at home, to see if they deliver what the manufacturer promises. This way, you have all the information you need before you buy. Today, we're trying out the Stylosa Espresso Machine from DeLonghi. The brand markets this model as an affordable, easy-to-use, entry-level home espresso machine with a built-in milk frother that can prepare your favorite cafe-quality drinks at home, even if you don't have any espresso know-how. Here's a recap of our pros and cons. First, the pros. The DeLonghi Stilosa espresso machine is affordable and easy to use. Though it might take a few tries for a complete novice to get a good handle on the machine, it's very straightforward to set up and use, and we think anyone would be comfortable using it. The taste of the espresso was nicely balanced and smooth, and making drinks was a quick process. We thought the Stilosa looks nice enough to have displayed on a kitchen countertop, and we love the minimal footprint, which is noteworthy for an espresso machine. Now the cons. Though we found the Stilosa easy to use, we had to read through the directions a few times as we were setting it up, even though the setup itself was straightforward. The machine casing is plastic, but the high shine black color and brushed metal elements give it a higher end look, and we felt like the machine was sturdy. We had trouble removing the filter cups if they were misaligned, so be sure to double check this before using. While there was some noise from the machine, we've tested similar espresso makers that are louder than this one. The bottom line. The DeLonghi Stilosa is an efficient, user-friendly manual espresso machine. It's an attractive kitchen addition that doesn't take up too much countertop space, and we enjoyed the taste of the espresso drinks we made and liked that they didn't take long to make. We recommend this machine as the best bang for your buck for anyone who wants to make cafe-quality espresso, lattes, or cappuccinos at home.